In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello cards repeat, no power-up needed. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Trello account and open the board where you manage your tasks. Pick the card you want to make recurring and open it. We're going to start with the simplest approach that uses Trello's built-in due date controls, so look for the due date on the card and click it to open the date editor. Inside the date editor, you'll see an option labeled Recurring. Click that. You can now choose how often you want this card to come back: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If your schedule is specific, set the exact day of the week or month and the exact time, so it lands when it's most helpful. When you're done, save your changes. From now on, every time you mark the card complete, Trello will automatically push the due date forward according to the frequency you selected. It's a great way to keep routine tasks from slipping through the cracks without needing any extra power-ups. If you don't see the recurring option or you want more control, you can set up an automation rule instead. Open the card and click the automation icon to access Trello's built-in automation. Go to the Rules section and choose Create Automation. For the trigger, select when card is marked complete. That tells Trello when to run the rule. Next, add your first action. Under the Dates tab, choose Move the due date and set it to tomorrow or one day. This bumps the due date forward each time the task is completed. Then add a second action, also under Dates, mark the card incomplete. That way the card immediately resets to an active state with the new due date ready to go. Click Save to activate the rule. With either method, the workflow is the same. You do the task, mark it complete, and Trello takes care of the rest by updating the due date and keeping the card in your rotation. A quick tip: use clear titles and checklists on your recurring card so you always know what done means, and avoid creating duplicates by using only one of these methods at a time on the same card. That's it. You've learned 2 reliable ways to make Trello cards repeat without any power-ups, either by enabling recurring on the due date or by creating a simple automation rule. Try it on one routine task today and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent workflow.